Today, we're diving into the Hogtunes XL Series 5.25-inch replacement front speakers, designed specifically for Harley-Davidson motorcycles from 1998 to 2013. These speakers boast a solid 2-ohm impedance and a power rating of 150 watts RMS, promising to enhance your riding experience with clear, powerful sound. What sets these speakers apart is their built-in tweeter protection, ensuring better sound quality and higher power handling. The inclusion of metal mesh grills not only adds to their durability but also gives your bike a sleek, customized look. Installation is a breeze thanks to the easy harness connectivity, eliminating the need for any wire cutting. Plus, with compatibility across various Harley models, including the Street Glide, Ultra Classic, Electric Glide, and Road Glide, these speakers offer versatility to riders looking to upgrade their audio setup. It's worth noting that while the supplied metal grills may not fit Road Glide models, the speakers can be installed behind the factory cloth grills, maintaining a seamless look. One standout feature of the Hogtunes XL series is their ability to deliver superior sound quality even at higher speeds, thanks to the large magnet and multiple cooling vents. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on winding roads, these speakers ensure your music remains loud and clear. However, it's essential to pair these speakers with an amplifier for optimal performance, as they truly shine when powered adequately. Riders with HD-branded amps on 1998 to 2005 models should opt for the Hogtunes 456FR speakers, as the XL series may not be compatible in these setups. Overall, if you're looking to take your Harley's audio system to the next level, the Hogtunes XL Series 5.25-inch replacement front speakers are an excellent choice. With their easy installation, durable build, and impressive sound quality, they're sure to enhance your riding experience for miles to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.